Now let's move into the settings. These are optional settings, but they give you a lot of flexibility depending on how you want to run your challenge. First, you can set a maximum number of participants. This is completely optional, but if you want to put a cap on how many people can join, you can do it right here. For example, you could set it to 250 participants. And once you do that, this limit will automatically appear on your landing page so people can see that spots are limited. You can change this number at any time or remove it completely. Some creators use this for focus or capacity reasons, and others use it as a simple way to create a bit of urgency. If you don't want any limit at all, just leave it blank and it won't show up anywhere. Next, you can choose to send participants directly into the challenge community after payment. Once someone completes the checkout, they can be taken straight into a WhatsApp group, a Telegram group, or a Discord server where all participants are together, and all you need to do is paste the link here. This is optional, but it's highly recommended if you want to build a real sense of community around the challenge, because when participants are connected in one place, we usually see higher engagement, better completion rates, and stronger results overall. It also becomes very useful later on if you plan to offer something after the challenge, like a next step or an upsell, since the connection with participants is already there. Again, this is completely optional, so use it only if it fits your style and how you want to run the challenge. At this point, you already have everything you need to start selling your challenge. Even if you haven't created the daily content yet, you can take the link and start sharing it, because challenges are the only digital product you can start selling before everything is fully built. As long as your start date is in the future, you have the time to prepare the daily content before the challenge actually begins. And with that, we're ready to move into the final part, building and managing the daily content inside the platform. Let's do that. I'll see you in the next video.